Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Norton NEO Browser. In order to do so, here we are at neobrowser.ai, and what is NEO all about? We browse in peace. Meet Norton NEO, the world's first AI native browser that doesn't compromise power and privacy. A browser you can trust. Chats and browsing history are stored locally. Your data stays yours. You're in control. Choose what NEO remembers and what it forgets, or just turn it off. Norton Web Shield blocks malicious sites and phishing before you click. And if you are interested, you can come here and download NEO for yourself. This is Browsing Reborn. Clarity, flow, control, discovery. All of those are what you will find with the NEO browser. See how NEO transforms the web. Your life online is never still. You're streaming, shopping, working, connecting. NEO adapts in stride, pulling the best forward while staying simple at the surface. And if you're interested in the NEO browser, head over to neobrowser.ai and you can download it for yourself. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business and offers tailored insights to help you succeed. If you click on the link there, you'll get 60% off your first month subscription so you could try it for yourself. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Check to see if it's available in your area.